Use of can and could in English grammar. Learn the proper use of can and could in just 5 minutes. Difference between can and could in English grammar. Today we will learn about the use of can and could. I will try to teach them how to use them as easily as possible. I hope after today you will no longer have difficulty using can and could. First of all, we should know that can and could are modal verbs. And it should also be known that could is much more polite than can. Ability. Can is used in the sense of ability, such as birds can fly, he can play the piano, he can speak English quite well now. Could is also used in the sense of ability. For example, I could play the piano when I was a child. I could play the piano when I was a child. That means I could have done it before, but I can't do it now. So, it is a habit of the past. So, in these cases, we can use could. Let's see some more examples. I could ride a horse when I was young, but now I can't. I could ride a horse when I was young, but now I can't. I couldn't play football 3 years ago, but I can now. Although can and could are used in the sense of ability, can is used in the sense of general ability in the present, and could is used for ability in the past. You should remember this. Offer. We can use can to offer something. For example, can I help you? I can send this letter for you. Can I carry your bag? Although can is used to mean offer, but could is used to mean suggestion. For example, he could try and fix it himself. He could try and fix it himself. We could go to the movies if you are interested. We could go to the movies if you are interested. Possibility. It can get very hot there these days. A lot of crime could be prevented. You could have called fast. You could have called fast. Could have is used to talk about something that was or wasn't possible in the past. Request. Can you hand me the pencil? Can I go to the park? Can you help me lift this box? Let's see the use of could. Could you hand me the pencil? Could I go to the park? I could help you with English. I could help you with English. They could go to the movies if you are interested. Here, one thing to keep in mind is that when we use can in the sense of request, it will be informal way. And when we use could in the sense of request, it will be much more polite. So, in the sense of request, could is used more than can. Permission. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? Can I speak to John? Can I sit in this sofa, please? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Could I borrow your notebook? Could I please use your bathroom? Could I please use your bathroom? One thing to keep in mind here, when we use can to mean permission, it will be informal way. And when we use could in the sense of permission, it will be much more polite. So, you can use can or could in the sense of permission. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.